Hey y'all, welcome back. Thanks for showing up and showing love. So today I'm going to do my makeup trial for my wedding. The first thing I'm going to do though is brush my hair and put it in some rollers or just pin it up in some circles so that at the very end I can take it down and have the full look. Okay, so while my hair is wet, I'm going to take some volume mousse and some hairspray and just put it all over my hair. For some reason, my hair holds up great when it's dry and I curl it. It'll hold up for 2 days, but whenever I use the Dyson or the Shark on it, it falls pretty much immediately, so this helps it stay a little bit longer. I'm also going to keep the rolls in longer than I usually do, and just like trial it out and see how long that they can stay for today. Okay, and then I'm gonna use some hairspray. So usually after this my hair gets so knotted, so I'm gonna try to brush through it, let it air dry for a little bit, finish it off with a blow dry, and then we'll curl it. Okay, so the hair is dry. You can definitely see, at least I can, that there's a lot more volume. Even when I go like that, it like naturally sticks up. So this will keep it, I think, holding a little bit longer. I have this Shark that I'm using. I have these too, just little baby claw clips. So once I get that swirl from the Shark, I'm just gonna pin it in my hair. Okay, so I know this looks ridiculous, but this is how I'm gonna leave my hair and we're gonna do the makeup like this. Okay, so the first thing that we're gonna do is moisturize. I got this Cetaphil moisturizer. I don't know if you guys use the app Yuka, but this is rated like an 87 out of 100, which was the best lotion that I could find. I saw online that people actually start with concealer first. So I have this NARS concealer in the shade Light Vanilla. So I'm gonna put that under my eyes and just on the red spots that I have. I think I might have rosacea or something. So my cheeks and like right here in my T-zone get really red. So I'm just gonna try to cover that up a little bit. Something that I feel like I do need is a beauty blender. I'm just gonna use my fingers for right now because I've tried to use a makeup brush before and I feel like it just like doesn't sit right. Next, I have this body shimmer it's pretty old. My sister got it for me, but I also got this e.l.f. foundation. I tried it yesterday and the shade match is pretty perfect, so I'm probably gonna mix those two. Just do 2 pumps of this and a little bit of this. I got all of these makeup brushes from Amazon, which I'm pretty excited about. I still don't know what makeup brush to use for what, so it's kind of trial and error. See, the shade match is pretty good. Let me do it the lighting side. Yeah, I'm really happy with it. It's just getting rid of all the red and giving me a good base color. This one's also matte too, so I think when it dries, it will matte me out a little bit. Okay, the next thing that I'm gonna do is I got this contour stick. It's also from e.l.f. So I tried this one out yesterday too, and I was doing it so light and I was wondering why the color wasn't coming out, but then I figured out I just have to press a lot harder. And for this, I'm gonna use this angled brush. I feel like it blends really well. Next, I got this new blush. It's called She Glam. I got it in the color Petal Top. It's like this super Sabrina Carpenter pink, and you really don't need that much. I mean, the more you use, the more Sabrina Carpenter look you get. The thing is with that is I know it's a trend right now, so I don't know if I want to do the trend because I don't want to look back at my wedding pictures and be like, what the hell was I thinking? Even though, I mean, I might not go out of style, but it's a trend right now, so I probably will. So I'll probably just do like 3 dots, which I feel like is still a good amount of pink. Next, we're gonna get into eyeshadow. So I got this palette also from Amazon. Everything I got is from Amazon except the stuff I already had. It's like a dupe of the Naked palette, obviously. So it has all of these pink and just fall shimmery colors. So I think I'm going to do the champagne color and mix that with the pink for the inner eyes. And then just do just the pink and then a darker pink, like kind of a gradient out. Again, we're just gonna start with that champagne. When you guys do makeup, do you do one eye at a time or do you do both? I feel like for me, if I do one eye and not at the same time, then they might turn out different, so I'd rather just do it at the same time. Okay, and then we're gonna take this super light pink and just kind of blend it in with the champagne, and then I'm gonna do a little bit more of that just by itself in the middle of my lid, and then I'm gonna take this darker pink and do the outside. So for this one, I feel like it's really important to blend it into your crease so everything blends together. And then for this one, I'm gonna go a little bit higher on my brow bone and just kind of fan it out. That way, once I do that cut crease, it'll all look really nice. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna use the black eyeshadow and I'm gonna try to do a super light wing with it. That way it's not so intense like a liner wing. Create a little wing. Okay, now it's time to cut the crease, which is stressful, but I think it'll be good. So again, with my concealer, just put a little dot here and a little dot here. Do I use my fingers or do I use a brush? I think I'm gonna use my finger. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Okay, I'm not mad at that. Next, I'm just gonna touch up my eyebrows a little bit. If you watch my vlogs, you know that I got my eyebrows tattooed. So they used to be super light, and now they're just a little bit darker and more defined. But I think for the wedding day, you have to, you know, put a little bit into them. So I'm just going to shape them out a little bit more. See, I feel like that looks better. Okay. Okay, so next I'm gonna curl my eyelashes and do a little bit of mascara. And then I have some falsies too, which I'll show you. Hi. Odin, hey bud. So I got these falscara eyelashes. I've had them before and I tried them out last night. And I thought they were pretty good. And then I got this a while ago. These glues, they're like super long lasting. Odin! I'm gonna put a little bit of mascara on and then use the falsies. So I have the large, medium, and small. I think I'm just gonna do a large and a medium on each eye. Difference? Last thing that we have to do is the lip. And then I also got this matte setting spray. So I'm gonna use this today for the first time and just see what it looks like. So for lip, I'm gonna use this NYX lip liner in the shade Espresso. I feel like the lotion is making it not stick as well. And then I got this L'Oreal lipstick in the shade Tickled Pink. I feel like that looks pretty cute. Okay, let's take out the hair. God, my hair is so short right now. Okay. So obviously it's gonna fall a lot. I don't want to over brush it out and have it fall quicker. But yeah, I think this is gonna be the look. Honestly, I'm pretty happy with it. I feel like I still look like myself and I feel like myself, but it's just more elevated. I love how this piece sticks up, so I might even tease this piece a little bit so it sticks up more. But I think it looks so cute. Well, thank you guys for showing up and showing love. Thanks for coming and watching the vlog. I hope you like my makeup look, and let me know if there's any tips or tricks that you saw me struggling with, or if there's anything that you think I should change before the date comes up in a month. So yeah, thanks again, and I'll see you next time. Bye!